New year, new strategy, new ways to trade. Why not? Since I'm an AI enthusiast, as you know so far, and you like my previous videos about trading strategies based on machine learning algorithms or suggested by AI directly, I was just playing around with Microsoft CoPilot, which is crazy good. And in today's video, I want to chat about one of the best and most accurate buy-sell signal indicators suggested by this amazing AI. It's great choice for scalping and day trading. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a trading strategy based on this indicator. To add this fantastic indicator to our chart, click on indicators and search for average sentiment oscillator. This one's an editor's specs indicator crafted by this amazing author. Look below the chart. You'll see the oscillator with red and blue lines moving above and below the center line, which is set at 50. As the name suggests, it's a sentiment oscillator giving you a feel over whether the market is bullish or bearish. Now check this out. The blue line represents bulls percent and the red line is bears percent. Since they're percentages of 100, they mirror each other. Whichever line is higher indicates the dominating sentiment. If the blue line is above the red line, it means bulls are running the show. And if the red line is above the blue line, bears are calling the shots. Look at the price. And you'll notice that when the blue line is up, the price is advancing. And when the red line is higher, the price is on the decline. The centerline crossover signifies the shift of power between bulls and bears, offering potential trading opportunities. However, there's some noise, false signals like this sell signal or that one. We need to filter out these false signals. First, adjust the indicator settings to make it a bit smoother. We set it at 35. This removes some false signals, but we still need some filtration.
I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest spreads and fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together.
Enter the Andean oscillator, which I talked about it previously in my previous videos, and you like that video too, you can check the link both above here and down in the description. And this is another editor PI indicator written by Alex Grover. It's a good choice as it helps filter signals during flat markets and ensures we only take signals in the current market direction. A bullish signal in the Andean oscillator means the green line should be above the orange line. The reverse is true for a bearish signal. Once confirmed, you can enter a position with a stop loss and profit target at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. This extra layer of filtration helps us avoid bad signals, as you can see in these examples.
Still struggling with budget and you want to trade big numbers? Well, unlock your trading potential with FundedNext, the prop trading firm that truly understands your success in Paramount. Here's why joining us is a game changer. Firstly, enjoy an unparalleled 15% profit share, a testament to our commitment to rewarding our hard work and success. Unlike other prop firms, FundedNext delivers on the promise of the world's best payout bonuses. Bid farewell to the stress of tight deadlines. With FundedNext, there's no time limit on most challenges, allowing you to trade at your own pace and unleash your full potential. True trading excellence requires focus and a stress-free environment. Our unique approach to drawdown calculations sets us apart. FundedNext calculates the maximum daily drawdowns based on your account balance, ensuring a fair and reliable assessment of your trading performance. We are dedicated to being the world's most reliable prop firm, experiencing the best trading conditions in the industry with raw spreads, including in swap-free accounts and the lowest commissions, just $3 per round lot on Forex pairs and commodities, and 0% per round lot on indices. Maximize your profit potentials with our competitive pricing. At FundedNext, you're not just a trader, you're part of a family. Benefit from pro support team, experienced professionals committed to assisting you every step of the way. Your success is our focus, and personalized guidance is a cornerstone of your trading journey. Choose FundedNext today, elevate your trading experience. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Join us and unlock your trading potential. FundedNext, where your success matters. Don't hesitate to click and sign up on FundedNext down in the description or above here. This link is exclusively tailored by FundedNext for Income Nomad channel subscribers, and believe me, you're gonna be surprised.
Remember, not every signal is foolproof. There is no such thing like that out there. If there was, hundreds of thousands of millionaires out there. It's just a part of the game. That's when risk management comes in.
My surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt.
Alright, that's a wrap. Thanks for hanging out with me in this video. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and the bell for notifications. Catch you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.